Are you able to? Oh, you're putting the ointment in.
I'm putting a bit of ointment on it, but I don't know if it's done any help at all. Actually, it's looking worse today than recently.
Just have a quickly. Get the light switched off. I suppose everybody has to handle like you do, hey? I suppose everybody has to know how to handle like you do, or do you do all the handling?
I do most of it. The volunteers are learning and the staff are learning. Yeah, I give them, they do the cage cleaning in the morning, so they do handle them. But some of them are a bit scared of the ratters.
So you've never been concerned about this? Oh, yeah, okay.
The right one there. But the left one, this is decision day. If that eye is not viable, then we'll have to euthanize.
Okay. I just wonder, can I touch? I just need to feel the globe. We are looking at you. That's good. Oh yeah, you are able to clean it, hey?
Yes, I can.
Or
I
do
can
you want
generally
me-
give it a wipe out, and I'll put ointment in once a day and so on. So
That's what I want.
you just want to give it a clean out or something.
I can, well, if you want me to. So I don't know if you can blink and close it. I'm not going to do it.
You see, my feeling is if it's going to continually get infected.
Yeah. So okay, we can clean now if you like, and then I'll show you on my picture what we are dealing with.